In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a growth report in Salesforce Lightning. A growth report helps you understand how your pipeline and revenue potential are trending over time, so you can spot momentum and focus your team where it matters most. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, head to the Reports tab in your Salesforce Lightning interface. This is your central hub for building insights. If you don't see it in your navigation bar, it may be tucked under the More menu, but once you're on the Reports page, you're in the right place. Next, click New Report at the top right. This opens the Report Builder and prompts you to choose a report type. The report type defines what data is available to you and how you can slice it, so picking the right one is important. Now, search for the growth report types, like opportunities. In the Report Type search box, type Opportunities, then select the Opportunities option. Opportunities are typically the best data source for growth because they track deals, amounts, close dates, and stages. The core elements you need to measure progress and pipeline health over time. Choosing this puts you in a great position to analyze trends like new pipeline created or expected revenue by month or quarter. Once the Opportunity Report opens, start adding your data. Use the Filters panel to focus on the time period and deal stages that represent growth for your business. For example, set close date to a relevant window, such as the current quarter or year, and include only open stages if you want a forward-looking view. In the Outline panel, add useful columns like Opportunity Name, Stage, Amount, Owner, and Close Date. To turn this into an actual growth view, group your report by close date, monthly or quarterly grouping works well, and summarize amount so you can see totals by period. If you want a quick visual, enable a chart and choose a column or line chart to show totals over time. These small adjustments make growth trends immediately visible. When you're ready, click Run at the top right to see the live results. Review the totals and groupings, and if something looks off, jump back to the builder, tweak a filter or column, and run it again. And there you go. Your growth report is ready. That's all. With these steps, you can quickly build a clear, actionable growth report in Salesforce Lightning and use it to track pipeline movement and revenue expectations with confidence.